Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Coach and you're watching Dr. Coach Vlogs. This video is going to be unboxing and review videos. I purchased two shoes from Amazon and they got delivered today. So I did unboxing and review in this video, so please keep watching. And I have also ordered and received my another shoe 3 days back, that is on 7th I received, 7th May I received, and it was a used shoe. The Amazon has cheated, and I made one video or the title that Amazon cheated customer. So if you want to see that video, you can click the I button. I'll give the I button here and you can just see that video how Amazon has cheated me. But today in this video I got the other two shoes, one from Red Tape and one from Woodland. So let us see how the condition of these shoes and whether they are again sending me used shoes or it's a brand new one. Let us unbox and see. So keep watching the vlog. Guys, received these two parcels just now, as I told in the last video. Now I'm going to open and see them. What's there inside? Okay. So take this first. The inner box. The inner shoe box seems to be broken. See? This one is, I'm scared whether it is also a used one. Let us just open and see. All very bad shape. Oh no, this is fresh one. No, this is not used one. This is in brand new shape. This loafer shoes. See, you can see the sole. It is in brand new shape, brand new. And then Red Tape. This is also from Red Tape. This I purchased for 1498. But the previous shoe that they gave me is that was not a brand new one. That was a used one. But this is totally new. There's no mark and all. See, new shoe should be something like this. See, no mark, nothing, no mark. See, whereas my previous shoe, the one that delivered on 7th, it was a used one. This is a fresh one. It should be something like this. See. Thank you so much for this shoe, Amazon. At least this time you didn't cheat me. I have another one that is from Woodland. I have another shoe that is from Woodland, that is sneaker from Woodland. Let me just open and show you. I'm excited to get this shoe since very long time, and this time I got it. So let me open. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Wow, 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 wow. See, wow, it's nice. I have been looking for this shoe since very long time. Wow, it's a new one. It's brand new, brand new. So this time I'm doing the video because otherwise if I don't record and if something is wrong, then people won't believe, isn't it? So this time I made this video. Wow, wow, so nice, so very nice. Yeah. See. I like it so much. I like the shape. I don't know. I have a very special attraction for this shape of the shoes. So this I got for 2,945. This is no discount, original price. But other two shoes, that shoe was on discount. Very comfortable. बहुत comfortable, बहुत sturdy है, बहुत strong है, and very light. It's very light. Very nice. I like it so much. You can see my trouser, half of my trouser is wet because I just came back and it was raining. So half of my trouser is wet, but I couldn't wait to change my dress. I just open up the boxes and trying. It's very nice. And this is another shoe. I'll try and show you after some time. I like these shoes, very simple and very classy, you know, see? Very simple. I'll just try for this one also, whether it fits my leg or not. Yeah, it's a little tight, but I think for some time it will be all right. A new one. Very easy. Wow. See.